Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will cover the eigenvalue and eigenvector calculation of a 2 cross 2 matrix and its plot. Okay, so we have to start with a simple numerical. So, what we have to do? So, the very first step, as we know, we have to find the characteristic equation. So, we have to write a minus lambda I equals to 0. Okay, so in this question, our matrix A is nothing but simply 3 minus 1 3 and lambda I. Okay, so for the time being I am writing 0 1. Okay, we have to go step by step. So after that we can directly write 3 minus lambda minus 1, then after minus 1, then 3 minus lambda equals to 0. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we can write 3 minus lambda whole square minus of minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 0. So now we can solve this one as a 9 plus lambda square minus 6 lambda, then it should be minus 1 equals to 0. So we can write this as a lambda square, then minus 6 lambda plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so now I am writing here. Now our the characteristic equation is lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can simply say this can be written as lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 8 equals to 0. So our simplified equation becomes, sorry, it should be 4. Okay. 4, take 4 lambda minus 2. So finally we can get the value of lambda. So we can say lambda equals to 2 and 4, or we can say lambda equals to one value will be 2 and 4. So this one is the calculation of the eigenvalue. Okay, so this one we can say this one is nothing but simply the eigenvalue. Two eigenvalue is there, so we can also write like that. Lambda 1 is 2 and lambda 2 equals to 4. This one is a very simple process. But the next one, we have to find the eigenvector. So eigenvector is also very easy. For eigenvector calculation, we just focus on this matrix. Okay, take this one first. Okay, this one is the, for now I am writing eigenvector. Eigenvector calculation. Now, for two eigenvalue, there should be two or more eigenvectors. So first, we have to start with lambda equals to 2. Okay, for lambda equals to 2, what we have to write? For lambda equals to 2, we can write 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, then 3 minus 2. Okay, make this one by just we are putting the value of lambda here, so we can write this as a 3 minus 2 is nothing but simply 1 minus 1, and it should be minus 1 and it should be 1. So this one is some metric, say this one is a metric, say B. Okay, so now what we have to do, this B is a matrix, we can say 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. Now there are two rows, so in that case we have to go for a row reduction process. So say this one is our row R1 and this row is R2. So now if we want to remove one of the row with the zero element, zero element. So what we can do, this R2 can be rewritten as R2 plus R1. If we write R2 as a sum of R2 plus R1, so the modified matrix B will be, it should be 0, R2 plus R1. So first we write the R1 row as it is, and the minus 1 plus 1, it should be 0, and this again the other term will be 0. So this one is your B. So after that we have to go for the Bx equals to 0. So Bx, so here we can write 1 0 minus 1 0, and then x is nothing but simply we can write x1 x2 equals to 0. So from this one, okay, I have to take some extra page. Now what we can write from, okay, from this one we can write x1 minus x2 equals to 0. So we can write x1 equals to x2. Okay, so now if we put I am writing here, if we put x1 equals to 1, x2 become 1. So this x1 x2, so the x1 x2 value, x1 x2 value is nothing but simply the value 1 1. So this one is nothing but simply our eigen vector. This one is the eigenvector. This one corresponds the eigenvector, eigenvector for the eigenvalue lambda equals to 2. Okay, so okay, so now this one is the eigenvector calculation for eigenvalue 2. For lambda is equals to 2, the eigenvector is 1 and 1. Okay, this one is the eigenvalue. It is very simple one. Okay, you can practice more problem eigenvalue, and this one is the eigenvector. Okay, now we have to prove this one is okay or not. So what we have to do, we have to write a minus lambda I equals to 0 for the eigenvalue calculation. Then we have find the Bx equals to 0. Now from we get the value of eigenvector. Now for the proof, what we can write, Ax equals to lambda x. If it satisfies this equation, so we can say this one is okay. So for example, our A is 3 minus 1 minus 1 3, and x, the eigenvector is 1 1. Okay, so this value is nothing but simply 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 and minus 1 plus 3. So this value is nothing but simply we can write 2 2 2. Okay, now if we take 2 common, so it should be 1 1. So we can say this is our lambda, and this should be our x. So it satisfies the lambda x. So we can say we are going on the right way. So this one is the one approach for calculating the eigen value and eigenvector for lambda equals to 2. Now for the other one, that is our lambda equals to 4. Okay, so for lambda equals to 4, for lambda equals to 4, so again what we have to write, we have to take in the same matrix 3 minus lambda. So we can write 3 minus 4. Okay, then here minus 1 and here also minus 1, and it should be 3 minus 4. Okay, so this one is the B matrix. So this can be very similar to the first one for lambda equation. It should be minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1. Now we have to go for the row reduction. For the row reduction, say this one is a R1 row and this one is a R2 row. Okay, so now what we can write, we can modify the row to R2 h R2 minus of R1. Okay, so it will give the row R1 will be same Okay, and this one should be minus 1, minus minus plus 1, so it should be 0 and 0. So simple row reduction we have to take. So this one is nothing but simply your B matrix. Now Bx equals to 0. So minus 1 0, minus 1 0, and it should be x1 x2 equals to 0. Okay, so what next? If this one is the term, so we can write minus x1 minus x2 equals to 0. So x1 equals to minus of x2. Is it okay? So if we put x1 equals to 1, x2 value equals to minus 1. So the eigenvector for lambda equals to 4, the eigenvector is nothing but simply 1 and minus 1, x1 and 1 and minus 1. So again, if you have to take, so we have to check this one. So take ax equals to lambda x. Okay. So 3 minus 1, 3. I am just checking it's okay or not. 1 minus 1 eigenvector. So just multiply 3, then minus 1 plus 1, then minus 1 minus 3. So it should be 4 minus 4. So take 4 comma. It is very simple. If you practice 2 or 3 times, then it should be lambda. Okay, lambda, and it should be x. So we can say this one is also okay. Okay. So now next, the very important thing, how to plot this thing. Okay. So how to plot this thing. So first, what we have to do to plot such eigenvalue and eigenvector, we have to just take, okay, one axis, say x and y. Okay, now after that, suppose our matrix is matrix, again I am writing a equals to what, 3 minus 1 minus 1 and 3. So you take this one as a x1 y1. Okay, so the term is 3 and minus 1. So where is 3 and minus 1? So first take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This one is my rough sketch. So okay, so first I want to add 3 minus 1. So where should be 3? One, okay, well, I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 3 and minus 1 somehow. Yeah. Okay, you can write 3 minus 1 like that. Okay, then the another one minus 1, 3. So it should be minus 1, minus 2. Simple coordinates were 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3 will be there some point. Okay, so you can write minus 1 and 3. Okay, now for lambda equals to 2, lambda equals to 2. Okay, the eigen vector is how much? 1 1. Okay, for lambda equals to 2, the eigenvector is 1 1. I am taking some different color. 1 1. Okay, so this one is the eigenvector. Okay, for 1 1. Okay, now for lambda equals to 2, the term will be this line for lambda equals to 2, and this value is say lambda x. Is it okay or not? Lambda x for lambda equals to 2. Now for lambda equals to 4. Lambda equals to 4, the eigenvector is 1 and minus 1. Okay, 1 and minus 1 will be there. Okay, I am taking different color. 1 minus 1 is there. Okay, for lambda equals to 4. So lambda equals to 4, it will come somehow. Okay, so this one for the lambda equals to 4, the plot. Okay, you can make it for different lambda So this one for the matrix A equals to 3 minus 1 and 3. Okay, so in other video lecture I will go for the more detail, means how to plot. Okay, for the time being also you can plot this A matrix here also. Okay, clear. So this is the very simple representation for the eigenvalue eigenvector plot for a 2 cross 2 matrix. So thank you for watching, and also please subscribe my channel